Today I'm going to show you a routine that I've been doing for one of my favorite lip looks, and it's also a lip look that's going to be hydrating. So it's going to give you that beautiful pout, but also it's going to moisturize your lips. So if you're someone like me that needs that hydration, this tutorial is for you. Also, if you're someone that would like to make your lips look a little bit more full without going and getting filler, this tutorial is going to help you achieve that look. So let's get started. Let me show you with just a few products how you can achieve this beautiful It Girl lip routine for 2025 and how you can do this right at home. Let's get going. Now the first step is you want to create some type of depth, and so I'm going in and using a little bit of a contour, and I just want to put this right underneath my lip, just like this, and that's really going to give that illusion that you have a larger lip and it creates its own shadow. So you can try this with any type of contour. If you have like a more gray bronzer, that's ideal, but this is just going to create that illusion. And then I'm just going to blend that out with a kabuki, just right under my lip. See how magical that is? So that's the first step. Then what I like to do is I like to go over my lips with the kabuki brush, and this is just going to have the foundation that I just applied, and I just go over my entire mouth. I have found that doing this before I put on any lip product helps to keep my lip product in place longer. So that's just a trick. Now, what you need next is a natural looking lip liner that's going to blend very well so that you don't get a super harsh line. But also the trick is something that's on the more natural side. So you want to go for a shade that's more in the mauve, in the muted mauve, kind of nude shades, because what you want to do is create the illusion that your lips are larger without super overlining your lips, but you want to have something that's going to define that edge. And this will allow you to create the appearance that your lips are larger without having that very obvious lined lip look. So for today, I've gone with the choice of City Beauty. They have some new lip liners. This is the defining liner. I have two shades. So I have Willow and I have Blush. And what I love about these products so much is they're fragrance free, they're not tested on animals, and they're also made in the USA. I have a few other products from them, but these are their new liners. I'm going to go with the more pink nude, which is the Blush shade. I'm going to show you what both of these look like on my hand. And just to show you, look how buttery that is. It goes on so easily. These have an automatic little roller, so you don't have to actually sharpen this. So this would be the ideal type of liner for this look. Let me show you what the Willow looks like. And this one is Willow. This one is just a little bit more warm. So I'm going to go with the top one, which has a little bit more pink. Again, the trick with liner is to just gently go right over your natural lip line, but not too much over, but you definitely want to go on the outer edge of your lip. So let's go and show you what this looks like. And as you can see, I'm blending that in, so I'm lining and then I'm coming back in and bringing that inside of my lip. You want to fill in your corners a little bit. And then for the bottom, I go a little bit underneath my natural lip line. Now the next step is just take your finger and go ahead and blend that in. Now, one of the most popular products for 2025 are lip oils. So you may have seen these all over. I'm going to show you what this looks like on the back of my hand. It's clear, but it has a little bit of a tint to it. But this keeps your lips moisturized for the entire day. So as we're in these winter dry months, this really works as a treatment to moisturize and hydrate your lips all day long, which is exactly what you need if you're trying to go for that it girl look, because the worst thing you can have is dry, cracked lips, basically like what mine look like right now. But once I get this on, you're gonna see how amazing this is. Let me tell you a little bit about this. So this is a plumping oil. So not only is it going to hydrate and moisturize, but it's actually going to plump your lips naturally. So it's a tinted lip formula, and it delivers that deep hydration for a visibly plumper, younger look. It even helps to minimize the look of wrinkles around your lips. So this is just a solution for so many things. Let me show you what this looks like. I just love putting a ton of this on. And look at the difference. My lips feel amazing right now. I love this lip oil because it actually doesn't have a super intense scent. So it's going to keep my lips looking luscious all day long. This was the easiest little tutorial, but look at the difference in my lips, the before, and here is the after a few products, and these are going to stay in place for hours. And not only after those hours of wearing this product, you will also have a hydrated, well-nourished, and deeply moisturized lip. And this is the go-to look for the season. You can understand why. It's a very natural, just glossy, well-hydrated, youthful look. This is the trend for the season. So find yourself a natural nude looking liner. I absolutely love the formula of this one. I will link all of these products below, but also this oil is one of my favorite products of the season because my lips just need that deep hydration in these winter months. And this is the only thing that I have found that doesn't taste weird, doesn't smell weird, and it stays on for so many hours. And my lips actually feel improved after I've been wearing it at the end of the day. And there you have it, super simple. I feel like this is something that a lot of people can achieve, but if you do have any questions, just let me know in the comments below. I'm always here and happy to help. This is such a beautiful look. This is like every day, easy peasy. You can put this on. It makes such a big difference. Even if this is the only thing that you're going to wear, I just feel like it makes a great difference in, you know, the shape of your lips and the hydration of your lips. All in all, it's just a win-win situation. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you in my next video. Take care.